This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for February 26, 2024. It's currently December 18th, 2023, 8:56 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is currently $471.97. That's USD. And the shuffle video we're about to play for you was created on December 5th, 2023 at 9:09 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video here in the corner. The overall theme and behavior for the 26, we have a period of sideways rotation that ends with a fast sudden move higher. Also a pretty strong cross-reading congruency. We've got a high, indications of a high for the month here on the 26th, so we're probably back to highs here. The Ace of Wands is very often a very toppy kind of a card, and then the high card of the February reading is also the Knight of Discs, which appears as the theme card here. Behavior around the low for the day, behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position or close short positions, indicating that we probably see the high again in the same day, or we see the high the following day, or a higher high the following day. One of those possibilities. Behavior around the low, we have a nullified works card, sideways rotation. It's nullified, so we might not see much sideways rotation. Hard to read that card. I'm advised to trade around a notable move higher, starting out of a decline, going from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range. And before we go any further, I want to make sure everybody's aware that the whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. Imagine if everybody that was making money in the stock market took a portion of their profits from every profitable trade and donated it forward to some good cause. How much better the world would be. My God. So we can do a little bit of that as a team together. And we do that by following the rule of karma for the channel, which is the threefold rule, unwritten agreement between the universe and anybody utilizing this information for personal gain. Follow the rule of karma here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of the profit should be donated forward to one of these charities. 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel, leaving you at 90%. Make sure to spend that money out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you're an angel investor of the channel. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold for following through on the rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. Love you guys. Really do. I know all of you guys by names. So we have a day's high somewhere in the pre-market and a period of volatility with a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. And then there's an important range that's highlighted around the open with a trade opportunity. It looks like we probably declined into the bottom of a range somewhere there around the open or in the first half hour. There's a prominent move out of that low that's then followed by a full retracement back down into lows. So it's like there's two lows there, maybe even three before noontime. Probably two. One around 10, one around 11 most likely. But between 10 and 11, there's a decline through multiple support levels off of a high, and then we have a prominent move higher between 11 and 12, followed by a full retracement that move back down to a trough between around 12 o'clock, and then there's a significant move higher standing out on a one-day chart, a breakout on a one-day chart scale there between 12 and 1. I'm advised to be cautious around 1 to 2, multiple false tops or bottoms, or some sort of tricky chart behavior there intended to make you do the wrong kind of impulsive thing. Be cautious there. There's probably some sideways rotation, and then that sideways rotation, you know what it is? It's probably like a fake out making it look like the rally's running out, and there's sideways rotation. The sideways rotation then ends with a fast move higher between 2 and 3. A notable move higher that'll really stand out, taking us to a high in the last hour, probably a new high at the end of the day there on the 26th. So we go from this high to a low, back to a high. That's that Ace of Cups kind of energy at the high. A prominent move higher through key resistance, followed by a move back down through that resistance there around the close. And there's a near overbought crest that we sell off from pretty notably through multiple supports in the post-market or overnight. Sneak preview for the following day. There's a rally at some point in the day that increases with momentum moving forward in time. It'll be important on some like one-day chart scale minimum. And that's SPY for the 26th of February. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.